They run until they don't run. Yep, top end started letting the smoke out of itself, so we had to do a rebuild on it. New crank bearings, crank seals, piston and rings, top end. Sent the jug out, got it replated. So we got a video of the Trike engine going back together. This is a KTM450XCW-R. Really strange. Supermoto was only made a couple of years. Tony's had this thing on the podium. It's ridiculous fast. It's got a 6-speed transmission in it. 3 oil pumps in this engine. Yep. Got to add fire on those bearings to get the crank to sit in there. Makes it easier getting it to assemble. But yeah, 3 oil pumps in this motor. A lot of weirdness. Some standard normalness. No case gasket. Got to use Llama Bond. Throw some fire on there so we can get the cases back together. This is a really quick engine assembly. High speed, fast. You like that kind of content, engine builds, ride videos, off-road content. We do custom builds, motocross racing. Lots of fun stuff on this channel. Hit that subscribe button. Bell notification. Comments are always welcome and appreciated. We got memberships available. Really helps out the channel. Lets us be able to do other things and get gear so that we can make the videos better. Try and make videos to answer questions. So you got any questions, comment section is definitely the place to put the questions. Try and make some videos to get the answers for you guys. Either that or I'll throw a quick answer down in the comments. Either way, I'll help you guys out best I can, however I can. Kind of stinks that this happened to Tony's motor because he was trying to sell the Trike. We got it all street legal, had it ready to go. Going through a last minute shakedown, and she just started making a weird knock and let the smoke out the top end. So it was best to let the guy know that was wanting to buy it that this happened, and yep, we got to turn around. We're going to rebuild it for you, make sure everything's all square. If you're still interested afterwards, cool. If not, no harm, no foul. Sorry about that. On with the day. We still got the KX450 that I built. Trying to get rid of that. You guys, somebody's interested, let me know down in the comments. We can get together and work something out. That's one of the pumps. That drive right there goes all the way through the motor, runs 3 different pumps. There is a one-way sprag behind that crank gear. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory at this point in time. A time counterbalancer. It's a 450. I hope got a counterbalancer. Haven't gotten into the Recluse clutch yet. Yeah, that was a whole lot of nightmare. Lots of balls, lots of weird moving parts that I haven't seen before. There is a video on the channel about that Recluse clutch. It's an assembly video. Shows you guys a little bit better how it goes together and what it looks like. It is a first generation Recluse clutch. Those things are great for GNCC bikes, motocross bikes, people that are going to be falling over or whatnot. The engine will keep running. You don't need to pull the clutch in. It's kind of like the centrifugal clutch, but you get to use your clutch lever too. New oil filter going in, of course. Fresh build, new oil filter, fresh oil. Make sure everything's all square. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about KTM's new ownership. That, what is it? An Indian company or something like that. Some Middle Eastern company is now in charge of KTM. Owns majority stock. Did their whole $600 million bailout kind of thing. Yeah, kind of curious what you guys think about that. Let me know down in the comments below. So there's the stock clutch basket. Actually, it's a Recluse clutch basket. It's got a stop ring in there. Extra spring. Plate holds all the different balls. The balls slide in and out in those slots. And being that it's spring loaded, you definitely got to keep pressure on it while you put all the balls on. There is a plunger on the back side of that, like a standard clutch that pushes on the pressure plate to release the clutch with a clutch lever, just like all standard KTMs. but the little balls and everything act like the centrifugal clutch. Little dinky torque screws that hold everything together I'm not too fond of, but hey, this is a first generation Recluse clutch, so they've probably figured out other things beyond that. Nice, pretty shiny brand new piston to go in here. Put the clip onto one side, use my finger to line everything up, put the piston on there, put the clip on, throw the rings on it, we'll be sliding top end together. This motor is a lot more like your atypical 450. This isn't like the 450 and the 505 SX quad engines that have the timing gears. A little bit different. The head, on the other hand, definitely an interesting design. I kind of like it. It's got a couple of plugs where you pull the pins out and you can set your timing and your adjustments and stuff without actually taking a lot apart. There's not a whole lot for timing marks on that, though. But the engine is all together, ready to go back in the trike. Let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. I really appreciate you guys watching the video all the way through. Go ahead and throw a number 69 down in the comments below if you made it this far. Button up this video, and you guys have a great day.